Welcome. This is a 5-minute yoga, all levels, energizing morning flow. As always, feel free to have some props nearby in case you'd like to modify. We'll begin seated on the knees. And just taking the knees nice and wide here, feel free to have them closer together, coming into your wide leg child's pose, walking the hands forward. Maybe even just take a moment to sway side to side, find a bit of movement. As you melt the chest all the way down, forehead or cheek to the mat. Option here to place pillows between the hips and heels and underneath the torso for added height and support. Softening the shoulders, the upper back with each exhale. Softening the hips, the feet. On an exhale, go ahead and walk the hands over towards the left. Expanding the right rib cage as you inhale, getting that side body stretch, and as you exhale, soften the shoulders. Inhale back to center. As you exhale, take it over towards the right, this time drawing the breath into the left side body, really expanding the left rib cage as you inhale. Exhale, completely surrendering here. And we'll gently release, coming back to center, coming into a tabletop pose, tucking the toes, sending the hips up for down dog. Feel free to walk it out here, pressing the mat away from your hands and feet. Be strong, engaging the core. If down dog isn't for you today or ever, don't worry. It's not going to be for everybody. Feel free to skip it. You can actually just come into a tabletop if that feels best for you. That'll be a great transitioning pose. Just taking a few breath cycles here. On your next inhale, left leg reaches up, three-legged down dog. And wherever you are, exhale, placing that left foot between the hands. Dropping that right knee, inhaling the hands up overhead, low lunge. Exhale, cactus the arms, elbows in line with the shoulders. Inhale, reach back up. As you exhale, plant the hands, step it back, plank. Inhale. Exhale, plant the knees, lower halfway, bending the elbows. Inhale, untuck the toes, up dog or cobra, gentle back bend. Exhale, tuck the toes, send the hips back for down dog. Take your time. We're coming right into your tabletop. If you're in your down dog, inhale, reach that right foot up. Exhale, wherever you are, step it between the hands, planting that left knee. Inhale the hands up overhead, low lunge. Exhale, cactus the arms. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, plant the hands. Take your flow, step it back into plank. Full inhale. Exhale, plant the knees, lower halfway, chaturanga. Inhale for up dog or cobra. Exhale, down dog. Walk it out. Take a moment here. Inhale, stepping to the top of the mat, half lift, flat back. Exhale, bending the knees, nice generous bend here. Supporting the torso, coming into your ragdoll pose, grabbing opposite elbows or just have the hands resting on the mat. Maybe even sway the head side to side, shake the head yes and no. Let the head be heavy here. On your next inhale, reach the hands up overhead. Exhale, release them back down. A few more times. Inhale, reach. Exhale, release. Inhale, reach. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.